So we're able to find each one of the groups that we follow, to a total of 9 right now. And we do, observations every day, and that's how we have learned so much about cotton top tamarins. And this is very important for us, so we know what kind of conditions they need to make it into the future and to secure a future for cotton tops. They live in this amazing ecosystem that is called the tropical dry forest, that 6 months out of the year, it's lots of the trees drop their leaves, and it looks kind of like a dead forest. But it can be as lush and green as the tropical rainforest the other 6 months out of the year. And cotton tops are very well adapted to these changes, and as well as all the different species that share a habitat with cotton top tamarins. So even though this is our flagship species, as is the object of our study, we are trying to protect a whole array of different species that share a habitat with cotton top tamarins. As you can see, reptiles and birds. So we're actually trying to protect a whole ecosystem that is really, really in trouble. And this is what we're facing in Colombia. For the last decades, there has been a lot of development within the north region of Colombia, and that has accounted for a lot of forest habitat being lost to development, to cattle ranching, to agriculture, and to all sorts of different infrastructure projects. But also, hunting for the pet trade takes a big chunk of the threats that cotton tops are facing. They are so cute, and people know them so little that they think this is, one exotic animal coming from somewhere, some other place in the world, and not realize that this is the only place on earth you can see cotton top tamarins. So once we realized that deforestation is the main threat for cotton top tamarins, actually cotton top tamarin habitat, it's down to less than 2% of what it used to be in where cotton tops live in the tropical dry forest. It became a full priority for Proyecto Titi to protect the few fragments that are left scattered on the shaded area that you see in this slide is the historic distribution of cotton top tamarins. As you can see in the map up there, it's only a very small restricted range of Colombia, within Colombia. And the area within the red circle is where we have focused our work over the last 15 years in working, you can see in the insert, there's the orange spots that you see in this map is the only thing that is left for cotton top tamarin habitat. The rest is all development, brush, cattle ranching, farm, and you can see the two green areas are it's about probably 2,000 hectares of forest altogether that we have been working on for the last 14 years.